again, once you are queuing around to the place, we need to get your own passports and cards ready.
El lift es para allá, es para allá.
So we're going to go down to your passport.
Access to Tokyo Place metro station. To access Station station, join the metro queue on Park Street.
And any customers that do require
Bus services are operating from Wynyard, Queen Victoria Building and Hyde Park interchanges. Please be patient when queuing for public transport as there may be delays.
On behalf of Sydney Trains, we'd like to wish you a very happy new year and welcome to 2026.
Holy shit.
Good evening everyone, a happy new year and welcome back to Town Hall Station. We hope you enjoyed the fireworks. Looking for an entry to Town Hall Station, we have one entry located on Park Street and another entry located on Baker Street. If you are looking Baker Street entry,
Maybe go on
Wow. This is a train station. It's Town Hall train station. Town Hall train station. Look how busy this train station. To just get inside the train station. People are waiting to get inside the train station. It's really busy now. I can show you. This is the entrance of the train station. It's a town hall train station. It's so busy. Two people just wanna get inside the town hall station, but it's hard to get in. There's thousands of people are waiting to get in the station. This is the madness of 31st of New Year's Eve, you know. So it's kind of a madness. Look how busy. You can't see in Sydney. I can feel like I'm in Tokyo and Shibuya, not in Sydney, because normally Sydney is not busy. Sydney is a bit quiet, but it's in here. It's like I feel like I'm in Tokyo. Happy New Year!
Once again, welcome back to Town Hall and welcome to 2026. We've currently temporarily restricted access to Town Hall Station. Due to its being at capacity, we will be opening approximately 2 minutes time. This evening. And take your time, especially when going down the stairs. We'd like to apologize to our amazing Sydney train staff as we are doing an excellent job. Thank you.
of this period new code.
Local time, Sydney time is now is nearly 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. in the morning. Look at the George Street, it's so crowded now. Everybody wants to go home or goes to party, they want to go party. Enjoy the 31st night and celebrate the first day of the new year. Absolutely crazy, absolutely, I can't, thousands of people on the street. It doesn't matter wherever I move, 360-degree angle, doesn't matter wherever I move my camera, the peoples and everywhere.
Put your hands together. We got to look up our highest ball station. At the last family speed team.
Happy New Year.
Sáng không có người yêu.
Last half an hour I was not able to move because it's so crowded. So now it's a little bit less crowded, so I start moving around. So I can show you guys, a little bit. And I think I wanna go a little bit towards to the Wynyard or Central stations, and then I can show you how the madness, 31st night madness in Sydney CBD. Alright, cops everywhere. Look, normal cops, NSW cops, and also Sydney's federal cops everywhere on the street. Another famous bus guy. He is actually a beatboxer. He's starting his beatboxing. I think it's a bit dark. I don't know. You can see or not.
Make some noise. Thanks very much. Alright, so I just showed you guys a few sound effects, but now I want to show you guys how to create music. Not normal music, but electronic dance music. You guys ready to party with me? Yeah? Alright, no tap, no from the bell. Party time. Let's go.